miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Colonia, Society Hill, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, Metuchen, Duneland, Eastland, and Fords. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 12, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 8, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 130 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Middlesex, New Jersey. Here is the regional